Hello, everyone. I have the honor of being with the Conway Fire Department. We're going to help you be thankful during Thanksgiving. One thing about Thanksgiving, it's not just the football and the family time, but you know what they look forward to? The tasty bird. When it comes to tastier bird, everybody wants to go deep fry.
Hold on, Mario. It ain't that simple.
It's important to remember a few safety rules before the gobbler hits the grease.
Most importantly, make sure your turkey is completely thawed and pat it down before it goes in the fryer.
That extra water content can evaporate instantly when it hits the grease, causing the fryer to overflow and catch on fire. Be sure to wear thick gloves and an apron when deep fried, and goggles to protect your eyes in case of an accident. All right.
And keep the proper tools nearby, such as thermometers to monitor the temperature of the bird and the grease, as well as the fire extinguisher.
Just in case. Fill the fryer to its maximum line with a high heat oil. Keep that fryer flame low and heat the oil at 350 degrees.
Next, turn the flame to the fryer off and gently lower the turkey to the fryer.
If the flame is open when the turkey is lowered into the fryer, there is a chance that the oil might overflow or spill onto the open flame, causing a fire. Once the bird is securely in the fryer, restart the flame and monitor the cooking thermometer, ensuring the oil doesn't get hotter than 350.
Set your cooking timer. We recommend 3.5 minutes per pound of gobbler.
When time is up, turn the flame off once more, lift the turkey from the grease, and let it drain.
Yeah. Use a probe thermometer to make sure that the bird has come up to temperature. Look for 180 degrees in the thigh and 170 degrees at the breast. What if people don't follow the instructions that we've shared?
I say let's find out.
Let's do it. Okay, well, folks, there you have it. That's what will happen if you don't follow these amazing instructions these fellas have shared with you all. That first turkey, that looked delicious. How about we take it over to the station and have ourselves a feast? Let's go.